Imagine yourself cruising down the road in a vehicle that stands tall not just in its price but in reliability as well. The Chevrolet Equinox seamlessly marries budget-conscious affordability with noteworthy reliability ratings, making it an enticing prospect for those in the market for an SUV. With two efficient engine options available, this vehicle is tailored to meet a variety of driving needs, leaving potential buyers pondering, could this be the perfect fit? But hold on, it's not just the Equinox that captures attention. Both the Equinox and its competitors boast user-friendly technology and spacious interiors, thoughtfully designed to cater to both families and individuals alike. Could these factors be the key elements that entice buyers who are in search of a practical yet pleasurable driving experience? Step into the luxurious realm of the Mazda CX-5, which, while commanding a slightly higher price tag, is celebrated for its opulent interior and trustworthy performance. The stylish design doesn't just please the eye, it invites passengers into a realm of comfort that elevates every journey. As you ponder your choices, one must ask, could the allure of luxury sway your decision? Now, let's delve into the Kia Sportage, a model that embodies affordability while remaining steadfast in reliability. With a lifespan that can extend between 150,000 to 200,000 miles with diligent care, it emerges as a practical choice for everyday endeavors. Isn't it intriguing how a budget-friendly option can still deliver longevity? Moreover, the Kia Sportage doesn't merely stop at affordability, it impresses with an unexpectedly upscale interior. This revelation assures budget-conscious buyers that they need not sacrifice quality or comfort in their SUV experience. How does that sound to those tirelessly searching for value? Transcending the competition, the Hyundai Tucson stands out in the bustling compact SUV market with its generously spacious interior and a user-friendly infotainment system. Offering a range of engine options designed to cater to diverse driving needs, one might ponder, could this be the versatile solution that so many seek? When it comes to longevity, the Honda CR-V takes the crown, frequently exceeding the remarkable milestone of 200,000 miles with routine maintenance. This impressive reliability serves as a beacon of hope for potential buyers, reassuring them that they are making a wise investment. But could there be more beneath the surface that makes this SUV so appealing? In addition to its sterling reliability, the CR-V boasts a car-like handling experience that transforms long-distance trips into enjoyable, stress-free journeys. This standout feature significantly enhances the overall driving experience, particularly for families embarking on memorable outings. What better way to create lasting memories than in a vehicle that prioritizes comfort and ease? As we explore further, the CR-V's spacious interior becomes a practical haven for family adventures, confirming its versatility for both daily drives and family excursions. The impressive cargo capacity supports a myriad of activities, inviting you to consider, what adventures await you within this adaptable space? Nevertheless, let's shift our focus to the Subaru Forester, whose high rankings in reliability surveys significantly reduce the chances of unexpected repairs or breakdowns. This level of dependability is crucial for enabling drivers to experience peace of mind on every journey. Could this assurance be what some buyers prioritize above all else? Safety, a cornerstone of the Forester, positions it as an ideal choice for families. Its impressive safety scores not only guarantee protection for all passengers but also raise the question, how much do safety ratings weigh in the decision-making process for aspiring SUV owners? Lastly, the Forester's all-wheel drive capability further enhances its performance in adverse weather conditions, providing a sense of confidence when navigating through challenging scenarios like snow or torrential rain. As you contemplate your driving choices, consider this, isn't that a feature every SUV buyer should desire? So, as you embark on your journey towards selecting the perfect SUV, what factors will weigh most heavily on your mind? With a plethora of options at your disposal, each boasting its unique strengths, the real question remains, which vehicle will truly align with your lifestyle and aspirations?